Having an issue but unable to resolve it right away? Rest assured, with the Nimbly app, you can tag the relevant department to resolve the issue ASAP. Here's how you can create a newly found issue, or as we call it, an ad hoc issue. Go to the Issues tab of your mobile app. Click on the green plus button. Then you will be redirected to an Add Issue page. On this page, you can fill in all the details about the issue that you found. First of all, enter the title of the issue. Choose the relevant category of the issue. Select the site where the issue is found. Pick the priority, with high priority indicating the issue is highly urgent, and low priority for an issue that requires less attention. You may also specify a deadline for the issue to be resolved. If there is an automatic due date, it will automatically set the default time for your team to close this issue, or you can replace it as per issue case. Select the assigned department. Put your own department in the Reporter department. Select the severity level, red flag for major issues and yellow for minor. Assign a related user to be responsible for this ad hoc issue. Please add comments on the issue and a picture or video to make it much easier for the assigned users to understand. And please keep in mind that you can only submit a maximum of 10 attachments, each with a maximum size of 7 megabytes. Last but not least, click the Add Issue button to submit your ad hoc issue. Afterward, your issue card will appear on the list of issues. A related user that you have assigned will get a notification regarding the issue, and you will also get a notification when they have updated or resolved the issue. And that's how you create an ad hoc issue.